In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to turn written text into a voiceover without recording your own voice, whether you're making tutorials, short videos, reels, or any kind of content that needs clean narration. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. If you already have your video timeline set up, that's perfect. If not, start a new project and import the footage you want to edit. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, including the option we need for text-to-speech. Now click Add Text. A text box will appear, and this is where you'll type the words you want CapCut to speak out loud. You can type a full script, a short line, or even a few sentences, depending on what kind of voiceover you need. Make sure the text is written clearly, because CapCut will use this exact text when generating the audio. After you've entered your text, go down to the timeline and click the text box you just added. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which text layer you want to convert into speech. If you have multiple text layers, make sure you select the correct one so the voiceover matches the right section of your video. Once the text box is selected, look to the left menu and click Text to Speech. This opens the voice generation options inside CapCut PC. Here, you'll see different voice styles you can use depending on what's available in your version of CapCut. Some voices may sound more natural, some may sound more energetic, and some may work better for tutorials or storytelling. Now choose an AI voice from the available options. Pick the one that best fits your video style and audience. If CapCut gives you voice settings, take a moment to adjust them. You may be able to change things like pitch, speed, or tone depending on the voice and version you're using. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how natural the final result sounds. Once you're happy with the voice selection, click Generate. CapCut will begin converting your text into speech, and this may take a few moments depending on the length of the script and your computer speed. While it's working, just wait for the process to finish. After that, CapCut will create the voiceover and add it to your project automatically. When the audio is generated, play it back to make sure it sounds the way you want. If needed, you can always go back, edit the text, choose a different voice, and generate it again until it fits your video perfectly. That's one of the best things about text-to-speech in CapCut PC. It's fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. And that's it. You've now learned how to do text-to-speech in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.